What up, y'all? We're at the Hollywood Sports Park Combat Center, and we're about to airsoft to reenact our movie.
And just like the movie, 2 of us have to go through 5 villains through this course from the generator all the way down to the couch where the safe zone is.
And the 5 super assassins is the crazy Cantonese Casey Chan. We got the 2 Mexican Latinas who's down to do anything for their hood. They're fucking pinche putas on fire, mucho caliente, burritos, salsa verdes. We got the crazy Vietnamese motherfucker Tommy. And then we got Cantonese lady Julia. And you know Cantonese women are the craziest motherfuckers in the entire universe. 5 on 2.
Let's see if we can survive.
3, 2,
I'll go first.
1,
Okay, motherfucker, we're gonna kill you! Where you at?
I heard something.
Where you at, motherfucker?
Come on, bitch!
Try to kill me?
That's the mother bullshit! You see him?
No. But I hear motherfucker somewhere.
Fucking communist bitch! Run!
Oh no, that's the cameraman. Oh my god. Almost killed the wrong person. Shit.
That's the Tommy! I'm gonna kill you! That's the mother bullshit!
I'm gonna kill you.
So mad! That's the mother bullshit! So mad! Fuck bitch! What the hell? There's one over here, man!
Somebody right there.
Oh, fuck. God damn it.
Somebody right there, right around the corner.
Somebody died?
No.
Casey died. Casey died.
Casey, you died?
Casey died.
Okay. 4 more to go. We got Julia, Tiff, Gio, Tommy.
They're on this side. I heard 2 of them on this side. Motherfucker, I died! He did my neck, man. Fuck you. Respawn!
Respawn, I'm gonna stay here. Hurry! Don't let me die!
Respawn!
Hurry, don't let me die!
ready?
Yeah! Where did it shoot? What's the over there? Vietnamese gangster! Vietnamese gangster, motherfucker! Oh shit, sorry, hit the cameraman, sorry! Oh. What the hell? Where the fuck did this bullet come from? What the hell?
What the fuck? Where'd it come from? I got hit again.
Respawn, hurry!
I don't even know where the fuck that come from.
Hurry, respawn! Oh my god! Respawn! Oh, motherfucker! I see the motherfucker!
You wanna fuck with me?
You wanna fuck with me, motherfucker?
You wanna fuck with me? I kill you!
Bitch!
I kill you!
Son of a bitch!
I need to reload!
Me too!
I need to reload! Motherfucker, they see me!
I need to reload too! Son of a bitch! Did you reload yet?
No, I tricked them!
Oh, I see that motherfucker! You wanna fuck with me? Motherfucker, you wanna fuck with me?
I got you! I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead!
Oh, I'm dead! Shit!
I kill you!
Oh, down. Oh, fuck, that hurt.
Oh, fuck, that hurt! I got hit 200 times!
Kill you!
I got hit 200 times in the butt!
Okay, fine, I'm hit.
Come on, Joe! You made it!
I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
I made it, but I died.
The exhaustion.
I made it to the safety, but I got shot 200 times in the back.
I killed so many of them.
So we had an awesome time getting blasted and murdered here at Hollywood Sports Park's Combat Center. And thank you to Hollywood Sports Park's Combat Center and Airsoft GI.
Well, if you guys, thank you guys for coming out and joining us. Make sure to check out airsoftgi.com. If you're thinking about getting airsoft, if you want more airsoft products, accessories, and goods, or want to go to events, check us out, airsoftgi.com, gitactical.com. Check out our YouTube channel, and check out our Instagram on airsoftgi.com.
Let us know in the comments below if you like more events like this, or if you have any other great ideas for events like this, let us know and we'll shoot the next one.
Peace.